Hi, my name is Jeannie. This is Unfiltered 50s. If you have never been here before, hi, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here now. And while you're there, just go ahead and click on the big red subscribe button down below and become part of the Unfiltered 50s fam. You won't regret it. Trust me, I promise. Help a sister out. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. In today's video, I am going to be showing you what I picked up on Boxy add-ons. Oh my goodness, it has taken so long to get this order, I felt like, and then boom, it just showed up on my doorstep today. I wish my Sephora order from December the 5th would show up on my doorstep. I did receive a box like this, and I noticed that it said from BoxyCharm. You know what happens to me every time that I get my BoxyCharm order? And I'm quite over this. They always screw something up. I don't know about you, but I always get something that I didn't order, and I'm always missing something that I did order. And I usually never say anything about it, but this time I did. I'm just like, dude, like, stop sending me crap that I don't order and start sending me the things that I do want, that I do order. So, like, what the heck? BoxyCharm. Like, I think that maybe sometimes they just, you know, I don't know, they just pull something. Like, maybe they don't have what I ordered. Then credit me. But you can't just pull something and put it in my box because that's what you want to do. You know, I did not order it. I don't want it, or I would have ordered it. Don't just send it to me. So anyway, that's not the way to do business. So anyway, what did I order? Okay, let's start with what I did order, and then we'll finish up with the thing that they sent me that I don't want. I don't want it now. I don't want it in this box. I don't want it at all, but they sent it anyway. Okay, so the very first thing that I did order, I ordered this for a, to have for a giveaway palette on my channel. It is the HipDot Zion palette. Guys, this is such a pretty, and it's a good palette too. It's beautiful. I love the color story. I've used mine. I love it. It's just good. It's just a good one. So I wanted this just to hold back, as a palette, just to have in my stash for giveaways. So I'm just going to keep it in the bubble wrap as a little giveaway. Then I ordered the Artist Couture Caliente palette. I did not get this in my box, and I wanted this, and so I ordered it just in case I didn't get it, and it was a good thing that I did because I did not get it, and I do love Artist Couture, and I'm so happy that I have this in my collection. So then I ordered another Hank & Henry Sweet Tooth palette, and this is just a beautiful palette for the springtime, and I am just going to hold this back for a giveaway palette. So I'm just building up my giveaway stash. Then I ordered a Salted Rose Sponge Gelée set for pedicures. Comes like this. It says that this is Sponge Gelée's Mani Pedi set. It's the perfect treat for your dry hands and feet, infused with a skin softening formulation and soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. This dual-sided buffer will leave your hands and feet silky smooth. And I really do need some silky smoothness to my feet and my hands. So I'm really excited to try this. And it says 7 washes each buffer. So yeah, okay. I'm going to give this a whirl. I did pick up another pack of the Spa Cleansing the cleansing spa water from Cook&Do. And these are really, really good. There's not many in there, but they're really, really good. So I did pick up some of these again. I picked up 2 of the Hyaluronic Avant Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Rejuvenating Micellar Waters. So it looks like this. So I definitely want to give these a try. So it reminds me of Lancome, is it, that looks like this? The Lancome makeup remover. So I was wanting to try this to see if it's anything like that. The Bifacil, I think that's what it's called, the Bifacil from Lancome. So I thought I would try this. I did pick up 2 of those, just in case it's really, really good. Then I did pick up another one of the Ace Beauty contour palettes. This is Bronzed in Paradise. I just love this thing. I have it. I love it. I just think it is so good. And I wanted to put that in my giveaway stack. So really, really like that. Then I picked up the Intensive Eye Care, 2 of these from QMS. I really like these. So I think they're really, really good. So I wanted to pick up 2 of those. I'm out of mine, so I wanted to replenish that. Now, the item that I had ordered was the 111 Skin Rose Gold Masks. They're not in the box, but what they did send to me was the Natasha Denona Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. I do not want this. I have never wanted this. This is a very, very matte foundation. I don't do mattes. They sent it to me in 40 in light, medium, neutral. This is one most likely going to be too dark for me. And it doesn't really matter because this is not going to be, yes, this is too dark for my skin. First of all, it's not the right shade for me. Second of all, it's definitely not going to be a finish that I would enjoy because this is going to make me look old AF. So definitely not something that I will enjoy. No. So I have wrote Boxy and said, you know, hey, look, this is not what I asked for. This is not what I bought. This is not what I ordered. What I did order, so yeah, that is way too dark. What I did order was the rose gold masks. That's what I want. So we'll see if I get anywhere. But I'm really tired. I had ordered a Natasha Denona blush shimmer something. I forget what they call it, but in the shade Rayo. I never received that last time. I didn't say anything, but yeah, I'm just really, really over it with Boxy just putting in whatever they want to in my order. So yeah, not so happy about that, but this is, yeah, this is just one of those times where I'm just like, you know, this is not even something that I would attempt to use. So, you know, if it's something that I can just even try to use, attempt to use, you know, if they put just something remotely possible that I can use in my box, I try not to complain, but this is just one of those times it's just no, absolutely not. I don't want this. I would never choose this. I would never even attempt to use this. No, 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 absolutely not. So let me know down in the comments below. Have you gotten your Boxy order yet? What did you pick up in add-ons? What are you looking forward to in add-ons? Has anybody's boxes started coming in? I cannot wait until the boxes start coming in again this month. I am so hopeful for so many things. I will tell you that I have been using the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, and this one is so good, guys. I am so into this serum. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's a deep hydration and glow serum that we should be getting in our boxes soon. So yes, let me know down in the comments what you picked up and if there's anything exciting that you are waiting on, hoping for, buzzed about. Let's talk. I would love to talk to you about Boxy. So yeah. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. Just click that big red subscribe button down below and help a sister out. Okay, guys, I will see you next time in my next video. But until then, mwah, smooches, everybody. Bye till next time.